yung height talaga, no? It has always been a weapon of the barangay.
Look at this. Parang inaliyo for the block. Hey, look how high Japet went for that block.
And that block was a lakas move. Hatid sa atin ng Cobra Plus Vitamin C. Lakas at proteksyon. They say how strong he is for his height. Prince.
LA over to Tolentino for the tie! How about that rookie?
This is what Coach Tim Cone is obviously capable of doing in crunch time. The first one is Stan Pringle was a decoy. It was
Man from the defense.
Yes, and Pugoy was really hoping that
Bumabantay sa kanya ngayon. Here's Black. Looking to attack. Sinapal ni Japet Aguilar. Of Black, look at this move.
Well, you know, you're trying to hang in the air against a wala si Matt Nieto. Sila ni Alas ang maglalaro dyan.
Uh-oh.
Ng mga physical tests that they have to pass para sila.
Brownlee
Nice
inside the C-stand.
Hardinger and Brownlee, they had a very, very big forward lineup. No?
JB with a short stab.
Was always as a referee, they're all the players, and that's a bad shot there by Maliksi.
Ngayon si Tenorio. LA to Brownlee. Iwan kay Pinto. Excellent transition attack. And then, napakagandang fast break.
Well, LA Tenorio is leading that break. We use a lot, no? Nice cut. Oh, there is Thompson. Especially if there's a crowd here.
Oh, absolutely.
The NBA veteran, Henry Walker.
Ten points in the first quarter pero wala pa nagagawa dito sa second.
Well, he sat down. And there's
Finish up on the LA story. Stan Hardinger gets it to Chan. Chan trying to break free. Daylight.
is really giving them some problems also.
Chan step back. LA off the secondary, gives it up to Chan. Gusto ilapit ni Jeff. Nilabas kay JB. Stan Hardinger, bullet pass out to JB.
He's on a lot of passing and then penetration.
Brownlee, outside to Pinto.
And that's good.
Natin last week when we covered the Terra Firma game, Ginebra is a team that has been decimated by injuries. Stanley Pringle, Joe Devance, Kagiwa, Mariano, all these guys. But
very inconsistent kasi sila eh. Meron mga long lull na nangyayari sa kanila, hindi talaga sila maka-score. Samantala ito si City Over.
Will recover.
Uli.
Tolentino completes the steal. Pinto will get a gimme. Touchdown. Side. Inilabas kay Pinto. Back
Nice
to Scotty. Sumobra. Pinto with a putback.
LA to Brownlee. Iwan kay Pinto.